Hi, it's Jez from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So I've got a little flip through for you of a journal I didn't make. So this is made by Moira Gray. She is on YouTube and I will link to her channel down below. And she did a giveaway and I was picked out, so I was really excited. It is wonderful to hold somebody else's journal and have a look through, and it gives you lots of ideas and inspiration. So I'm going to flip through that, but first, this was a little extra little bit that she added, and this is just lovely. I love the papers on the front. That's so cute. But look at this paper. Just love it. Very autumnal. No idea where it came from. But what a lovely digital that is. Moira, I don't know, Moira made it herself, don't know. And it's one of these little bundles. This was a Roxy Creations you know, Friday challenge that she does, weekly challenge, and I've made them myself, and I have given them away as well. But that's lovely. So it's just full of different things that can be used. So I love that. I love old receipts. I mean, you know, they're scans, but they're lovely. So I will check. That actually feels real. Really feels real. Wow, that's lovely. Oh, I like. Oh, I do love a bit of ledger, and that's beautiful on the inside, like an eco print. So all of that can be used. So thank you for that little extra bit there, and then that just closes up. Lovely paper clip, rose gold. So let's get into the journal. Now Moira will have done a flip through on this as well, because I did watch it on the flip through. But you know, there's something quite different about holding it in your hand. I love the feel of a journal. This cover's beautiful, and I'll have to sort of check back and see which digital she used. Nice little bit of fabric there on the spine, and a lovely frame and a lovely closure there. So let's get into it. You can see on the edges there's all this lovely crocheted lace. Just stunning. I'm getting lots of ideas when I flipped through. So this is Moira's details here. She's got a coffee shop and she's on YouTube, so I will link that details down below. So we start off with one of these Tim Holtz things in the front. Brilliant way to start off. I often think about what am I going to put on the inside of the cover, so this is a really good idea. I recently used this in a journal myself, and they're just lovely little bits of ephemera with lovely backing, so that they can be written on. I am somebody else who likes to back my little bits of ephemera. I don't like white backs. So these are lovely bits of ephemera. I do love them. Really, really do. So yeah, they're fab. I will be going and checking out what she used, if she's linked it in her video. But I really like that. It's a nice little opening to the first page of a journal, just lashings of ephemera there. I love that as well. So this is beautiful. Lovely frame there. I was just playing with frames for my Creep on June. That's gorgeous. So lots and lots of space for journaling or sticking photographs or whatever. So yeah, I'm one for shoving things on every page, but it's nice to see beautiful pages. Lovely pocket there, and a beautiful tag. Lots of stitching, loads and loads of detail going in here. I love that. I love everything. It's just so beautiful. Nice little paper clip here. I've got some that shape. Not in rose gold though. And I just love the way we've got gold edging around the edge of everything. So nice. Nice little ticket there. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. So stick that back over there. Did it go this way round? I believe it did. I forget. And there we are. Another lovely envelope. Oh, it's not. It's a cabinet card. Was that just stuck on there? Or did it go under there? I think it might have gone under there. That's right, yeah, because I pulled it out, found it like there. So that's a great idea for a cabinet card. I've been doing some faux cabinet cards, but I really like that idea. Might have to nick that one. And I've just got some acetate from a charity shop. So, oh, it's an envelope. Does it pull out? Oh, it does. Oh, that's really nice. I like that. Yeah. See what I mean about getting ideas? I was recently at the Rachel and Bella Crafts retreat, and I gave Rachel a journal, and she said to her boys, you know, she was really excited that she had a journal from me, and they said, why were you so excited about something that you could make yourself? And she said, because it's a different style, and etc. And she put it really well. She said, do you think Picasso only had his own paintings up in his house? You know, he probably, you know, was probably a fan of lots of other art. He might have had Renoir, Monet, whatever, hanging. You know, it's the same thing. And it is so lovely to see other people. And they're using papers that I've never seen this paper, and it is stunning, and I love it. So, yeah. Love this. That's the same one as on the front. Nice little tuck there on the corner of some music sheet. Little guest check. I was looking at my pack of guest checks the other day thinking, oh, let's do something with guest checks. Not done it for a while. This is a digital guest check. That's cute. Handy for people who can't get themselves. I love the little coffee stain there. Isn't these papers just beautiful? So we've got a nice altered paper clip there. Love it. Really like how that one's done. And oh, I like the embossing on there. Some more of that gold. It's definitely a theme going through. Now, did that? Yeah. So there was stuff on the other side. So let's put this back. And then we can stuff everything back on. I'm going to struggle now. Just use your fingers, Jess. Get it open. There we go. Now it will go down. Right, so pop those back. And then that was underneath it. Faux seat. Fab. More beautiful images. Lovely. Oh, I like that idea. So instead of sticking this down, it's just like a tuck, but then it's held in place. The paper clip. What a fab idea. Yep, loads of ideas, Moira, that I am going to use. So that's another reason why it's great to see other people's journals, because they give you loads of ideas. And these are just, what lovely lace down the side. And there we have a nice centre of the signature. Lots of lovely pages. That's oh, that one's folded round. So if we take, so we've got a bit there. So let's take this out. I love this idea. So that folds out. That's a tuck. That. I love that. I love the way it's ripped. That is such a good idea. So I think similar stencil to what I've got. I guess we all buy from the same place, don't we? There's only so many patterns. It just looks like my Tim Holtz. Love that. Love the way that that's dyed on the back. Nice little bit of blingy washi tape there. And then that's folded in. Love that idea. Love it. Beautiful, beautiful papers. I can't say that enough. Oh, is this another little flip? Oh, that's an envelope. So we've got, that is a pocket. Oh, put an envelope over the pocket. I never thought of doing that. Just grand. So that's a little pocket. Love that little edging. And then on the other side, it's holding an envelope, which has got, put the clip down, which has got lots of little bits in. Love them. Nice bit of stenciling. And then it's, oh, massive flip out. How cool's that? And I love the way that that looks there. Brilliant idea. And that looks like a bit of gold through the stenciling. Lovely pocket here. This really, really is a wonderful journal. Must have took ages. And I want it. So excited. There we go. Some little flashcards. Nice image there of a lamp. And here we've got some more music paper. That one's just decorated. A double pocket here. So a pocket with a pocket. Some nice tags. When you've got beautiful images like that, you don't have to do much. Just added a little number. I love that bit on the top there. Oh, I love that. Love it. Some more of that page there. Oh, and here we've got a little, that's a good idea. I often think, because sometimes you get that gap, don't you, between signatures, and I never know what to do with it. I kind of like to fill it. That's a really good idea for filling it. So, got a little band. And it's, oh, fantastic. Ah, it comes out. That's really good. All bit of straw paper there. Nice little scrappy bits. Oh, I love that. That's very cool. Looks like greaseproof paper, baking parchment, as they say in other parts of the world. That's really good, because then you could, that's reusable. Love it. So stick you back. Will you go down from the top? You will. Love that. It's just such a lovely kit. Gonna have to look it up. I mean, it might be multiple kits. It might not be all one kit. But I think she's on a design team for someone. I can't remember who now. So it might be that. This is lovely. I won't get it out. So lots of beautiful pages. Some more, another pocket with a pocket. Another bit of, oh, embossed on there. Can I try that? Is it, I love all these French bits of ephemera as well. Absolutely stunning. Another little flip that's held in there with that paper clip. I'm just going to pull it out. Lovely shawls. Just really, really nice. Just love the way they're all finished off with a bit of gold around the edges. This must have taken an age to make, and probably enjoyed every minute of it, because that's what I do. I make them and I thoroughly, thoroughly enjoy them. So here we have some more lovely little bits. Does this go round? We've got another one on the other side. Do love this idea. Oh, I like that check with the added bits. Brain's going, ideas, ideas, ideas. Another little tuck there with a couple of little lovely little bits on there. More of this lovely paper. Another little altered paper clip. Oh, I love receipts like this that have these lovely tops too. 1893. Love it. I'm just looking to see if I can see where that's from. That would require your glasses, Jez, and you ain't got them on. I think they're on the top of my head though. But... And then on this side we've got a couple little journaling cards. Love that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Just so lovely. I love the birds. I love the bluebells. I think they're bluebells. And then we're right at the end there. Lovely 1920s lady. And we've got a little belly band at the back here that just holds some extra bits of ephemera that have all been sewn. So I was about to say so nice. Love that flower there. What a grand idea. So I might be utilising some of these ideas, Moira, because they are very, very lovely. Oh, I need to concentrate on that. And that's it. That is a lovely journal. So I would urge you to pop over to Moira and give her a like and subscribe, and check out how I'm sure she's done videos on making some of the bits in here. I will be checking out those tutorials now because I love it, and I intend to put my own spin on some of them as well. So thanks for joining me today. I'll link down below to Moira, and if I find any information about the kit she used as well. So thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to me. That would be great as well. And I'll see you all again very soon. Bye for now.